Hi, Derry. How
How's it
are
going?
you?
I'm pretty good, man.
I like your service, Rehab Medical. I'm
Awesome.
very surprised. You're in time. You delivered me a very good wheelchair.
I enjoyed helping you.
I appreciate your company.
No problem, man.
Also, thank for Gabby. Thank you, Ron. Today is August 13. Time probably 2 p.m. right now. Mr. Daddy delivered me this wheelchair. Thank you.
All right. Let's say it's August 13th, 2025. Got my man here looking good in his chair.
Thank you, Daddy.
No problem,
I
man.
appreciate your service.
You look amazing in that chair.
I appreciate. Thank you. Very nice rehab medical centers. They provide me
You good.
a very good powered wheelchair for my mobility.
All
I
right.
appreciate. Thank you.
No problem, man.